What is the best way to avoid a rear-end collision? Have you ever wondered how to keep yourself and others safe on the road? One of the most effective ways to avoid a rear-end collision is by maintaining a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead of you. This means giving yourself enough space to react if the car in front suddenly slows down or stops. A good rule of thumb is to keep a minimum of a 3-second gap under ideal driving conditions. If the weather is poor or you are driving a larger vehicle, consider increasing that distance to ensure you have ample time to stop. Tailgating, or following too closely, is a leading cause of rear-end crashes. Not only does it increase the risk of accidents, but it can also negatively impact your auto insurance rates. Insurance companies often view tailgating as a sign of risky driving behavior, which can lead to higher premiums. In addition to keeping a safe distance, there are other important practices to consider. First, avoid distracted driving. Activities like texting, eating, or using your phone while driving can significantly increase the chance of a rear-end collision. Staying fully attentive to the road is essential for your safety and the safety of others. Driving at a safe speed is another key factor. Speed affects your stopping distance. By driving within speed limits and adjusting your speed according to road and weather conditions, you can maintain better control and reaction time. This is especially important in adverse conditions. Using your mirrors and checking your blind spots can also help you avoid sudden maneuvers that might lead to a collision. Proper mirror adjustment and awareness of surrounding traffic allow you to anticipate changes and react accordingly. When it comes to braking, try to avoid sudden stops. Gradual braking gives drivers behind you more time to respond. If you need to stop suddenly, ensure your brake lights are functioning properly to alert others. Lastly, maintaining lane discipline is crucial. Keeping your vehicle centered in your lane and avoiding unnecessary lane changes reduces confusion and helps prevent abrupt reactions from other drivers. From an insurance perspective, practicing these safe driving habits not only helps you avoid rear-end collisions but can also positively affect your insurance rates. Insurance companies often consider tailgating and a poor driving history as risk factors that can increase your premiums. By maintaining safe distances and driving responsibly, you can lower your risk profile and potentially save money on your auto insurance. So remember, the best way to avoid rear-end collisions is to keep a safe following distance, stay alert and distraction-free, drive at appropriate speeds, and use proper vehicle awareness techniques. These habits create a safer driving environment and help protect your insurance standing.